hero.
Feeling strong?
I hope the hat is. Hello everyone, have we got a fun video for you today? Yes, that does end with a question mark, but I sincerely hope that you will enjoy this. I'm gonna have some fun because the other day, boom, check that out, we had a tweet from Angela, spelt with a J actually, Angela Dauncey. First time tweeter, long time viewer, crying emoji, please help, 3 praying emojis. There is no help out there, and I feel only you can accomplish, exclamation mark. My soon to be 4-year-old son is desperate for a taco hat. Amazing, it seems like something that Stuart Ashton would ask me to do. Typically the child wants Nutella and not normal dip, as I would personally have, praying emoji, with an actual animated gif of the film Despicable Me, which me and a parent, I have successfully managed to avoid the entire series just through sheer luck. I don't know how, I've seen Frozen about 10 times. So I did a series of other tweets saying, I really want to do this now. And then we slid into the DMs. See, what he does is he snaps a little bit of the hat off with Sombrero, dunks it in some salsa, and then monges on it. So into the DMs, Angela sent me this.
Barry, can I have the taco hat, please?
That is Sebastian, who's going to be 4, and I believe if I do this in time, Angela may indeed attempt this herself, so it has to kind of work. Yep, he legitimately wants it for his 4th birthday. Happy birthday, Sebastian. I hope you have a lovely day, and he wants Nutella in it, which I can relate to. So we've got that. We're going to do this. Hello, remember the other day when the taco hat thing arrived, the mould, aka a sombrero? Yes. But it is actually very relevant for Homer Simpson because there's another one. All right, howdy partner. Oh, you don't say that in Mexican. You've had one too many, Homer. Take a rest. Oh, and the other thing that arrived with the sombrero that I didn't show you was this. I might look like my dad. Oh, yeah, I do. Sorry, I've got to go. I'm in a bit of a hurry. I must dash. Wait a minute. Yeah, that looks way better. I think I might keep him like that for as long as it stays on. All right, folks, so I'm gonna need that hat to make a mold. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't wanna tack about this much more. We're gonna crack on. In fact, if you've missed it already, you wanna make some decent homemade tortillas, there's actually a video that I've done before on making them, and we use something called masa harina flour. Masa harina. Aye, there we go. It's basically ground up maize. It is actually a corn flour. I went through that on that video, I won't do it again, so it's awesome. And I actually ended up making my own by accident with a homemade cornflake video, thinking about it. You have to get that on Amazon generally, it's quite hard to get in the UK. So if you join Boston and I right now and look at the screen at both of the GIFs of Homer Simpson and Despicable Me, you will see the aesthetics of the hat. There's a slightly more higher ridge to help keep the sauce in. What I mean by that, you see how it's sort of curved? It goes up a little bit, but on both of those, they almost go up vertical to kind of create a wall. Let's not go down that route. But we're gonna go up high like that. So we're gonna kind of make a foil mold, manipulate it our way, wrap our dough around it, and that should give us the taco hat. Actually, one other thing I did want to do was make a dip in the actual peaky bit of that hat here, so we could put the dip in there and not worry about it there. But generally, I don't think that's as Mexican. I think it's more of a cowboy hat. So we'll keep the dome and we'll put Nutella, 2 lots of it, big boy ones, in there. I can't stop laughing at that. Hey Homer, that's Nacho hat. I promised I'd say that the other day. We need to find out if this is gonna fit in there. We had a little look the other day and it burnt the top, as you see there. So if I get that in there, oh wow. It will potentially fit because we're gonna bend it up. We'll use this as our mold support assistant thing. Widthways, we're gonna be fine, but actually when you turn it around like this, it's gonna have to come up a teeny bit. So at least from one angle, it will look blooming awesome. Fingers crossed. Let's make the mold. And to do that, we've got some extra strong tin foil. I've run out of foil. I might have some more. Okay, so this is our mold again. We'll stick it down, and then what we'll do is start to just bring it up initially, just to give us that width. And now what I'm doing is lifting the foil up to add a bit more strength and stability to the edges. That is awesome. I'm gonna add another little band of foil just around the edges. So let's summon the last bit of foil. Yes. So here we go. We're going to put this onto our tray and we will try and manipulate it so it does fit and not basically touch the heating element and set my house on fire. But as I say, the width is fine. Don't worry about the height there because we can balance that out. All right, here comes our kettle. Boom. And we are putting this on to boil, but we just want warm water. What? It's moustache. All right, so this is almost boiled water. You see it's hot, that's what we want it to be, because we're gonna make a sort of dough. This is about 4 cups.
What have you done to Mr. Bean? That's hilarious.
Looks less sinister.
I don't think he looks less sinister.
All right, so we're gonna go with 500 grams of the masa harina initially. So we've got our water. We might not need as much of that, but we can add a bit more because we're making the dough. And the only other ingredient, which does actually make this fairly cheap, is salt. So the flour goes in, a little sprinkle of salt, like Salt Bay, and I'll add just a little bit at a time. I'll mix it together and it will make the dough. All right, not too bad, not too messy. All right, mate? I'm boiling the kettle, hence the noise, just in case I need some more. Hello? Hello? I'm thinking I've got the dough here. Do I just pat it on the hat or do I roll it out? Which is what I was planning on doing, which is what you would normally do if you're making a tortilla, or you have something amazing called a tortilla press. I'm thinking I'm gonna put some of it down initially, like half of it, and then get my other really cool gadget, the adjustable rolling pin, which is here, and then roll it out. This is working. You can't see some of it. There you go, that's better, sorry. I must get myself an improved cameraman. This guy's rubbish. There we go. Oh no, it's made a line in it. Problem I've got is I've now got to get that onto my hat. Now I'm gonna feel like a bit of a hairdresser. Watch this. So some oil to help it not cling to my hat. Whoa, my love, my darling. I know it's like trying to separate a bag in a supermarket or even a dog poo bag. Oh, no, 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 no. Ooh. I'm gonna have to build it on there. I was thinking I could go like this. Oh, actually. Oh, well that is on there. I've got one amazing side. It's not too bad. Yeah, look, this is gonna work. I've got a few holes, but I can just patch it in and it gently works its way in there anyway. Oh, yes. You don't need to see me do the rest of this, so let's jump to a dough hat. All right, so I've got it all in there, and what I've done is added a little bit of water so I can run my hands along the inside and do a sort of a little pattern and then just even out all those patches where you joined it together. That's all I've been doing, so it's a little bit better than it was. It was all splattered on, a little bit of water and work it together. It's actually quite therapeutic to do this. I'm really, really enjoying it. But that is it. I'm just basically delaying the inevitable of putting it in the oven and basically seeing what happens. I think it's looking actually really, really good. My fear is it can puff up when it cooks, but if it can hold the shape, it should firm up, and once it cools, it'll be strong. I'm doing that thing again where I put my chair right by the oven. You see, I'm at the stage now where I can see that it's dried out, but it's not browning yet. It hasn't puffed up like tortillas do. If I fried that, boom, it would do that. They do deflate, but I was expecting the hat to go. It's kind of stayed still. I think because we rested the dough unintentionally. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's cracked. Actually, you know what? That little bit is bugging me. It's sealed it, and it's even given it a nice authentic scorch mark. That'll do. I've put it back in. I felt like by taking it out, I'm not going to open it. It shocked it. It suddenly went, oh, it's cold. Little update. I was like, hang on a sec, I've got so much masala in there. Let's just do another layer, and Mrs. Barry has volunteered.
Don't remember volunteering.
Good work, mate. Double teamed this sombrero. It's on a slightly different tray because the back of it, we were worried it was going to bend forward. All right, folks, I'm not opening the oven because I don't want to shock it to try and make it crack, so I'm turning the oven off. But I think it's dried out. It's cracking again.
Are you going to start it again?
Am I going to start again? Hell yes I am, mate. we're going to do a bit of flour and corn tortillas. And the flour, the plain flour, should give it a bit more strength than the corn, which is cracking. So this time, 250 grams of plain flour, helping it. The pinch of salt, Salt Bay. We're still going for 500 grams of the masa harina. Hey, masa harina. We're adding in our water. That is feeling a lot more doughy, actually. Shall we do it again? Oh, it just looks stronger, you know what I mean? It looks like a sandcastle I'll be proud of, and I grew up by the sea. Come on, in you go, mate. Let's do this. Oh, it has been 3 hours. We baked it, and we just turned the oven off, forgot about it. It took that long for it to completely cool down. I've had a look. And I think it's worked. We're just about holding on to light. Let's get it out. Oh, yes. We've done it. Well, have we? I mean, it's bubbled up a little bit and it's not as brown as I would like, but actually feels quite light. I'm feeling positive. Senor Bean and Homer in the background watching on in anticipation. I'm not going to need the mould again, am I? Snapped a bit off. Oh, it's crunchy. Oh, it's at the middle bit. I wasn't even looking what I was doing. The middle bit's come out all right. I snapped a bit of the side off of it. I'll have to try and stick that on with a bit of chocolate. Oh, there's still bits, Yeah, there's a bit of foil embedded in it. There we go. You see that? I got a smear of like tortilla dough on my camera lens so it looks like there's a huge line along it. Look at that! Yeah, that's the bit that I snapped off. So if I just get a teeny bit of melted chocolate, obviously, if you are making this, you can be a bit more careful than me. There we go. Nobody will know. That is my fear. We are adding 750 grams to our hat. I think I'll wear it. I don't want to get Nutella on your heads, all right? My fear is we've got these little bits where it's separated again. The flour's made it a lot smoother, but the Nutella could seep through here. All right, Mrs. B, get the Nutella on there, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, another jar. I think this is going to add so much weight to it. All right there?
Yeah.
Feeling strong?
I hope the hat is. For some reason, this is like one of my top scariest moments on the channel. This thing, I can't tell you, it suddenly feels really weak with that Nutella on there. If it works, it's gonna be amazing. If it fails, it's gonna be Nutella everywhere. Are we ready?
Yes.
It feels a bit lopsided. Is that straight?
I don't know. It's a bit lopsided from the back.
That's
is that better?
Yeah.
Ah,
in a bit.
there we go.
Oh.
Is it spilling out?
Hold
I can't see. No.
Oh, okay. Nacho man. There we go. I did it. Sebastian, I hope you're happy. Angela, good luck. What does he do? Is his name Gru?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he does.
Hey! If we want to eat this, we should have used a swim cap, but there we go. Apart from my bodged little side, I'm happy with that. Sebastian, I hope you have a happy 4th birthday. Good luck to anyone that tries it. The flour really did change it up. And as for this concept as a series, maybe Ask Barry is what we'll call this and make it a thing if you want me to try and attempt your cooking conundrums, so you don't have to. So from Senor Bean, not Mr. Bean anymore, Senor Bean, maybe we'll keep the tash on him. From Homer with the original sombrero, which worked out an amazing mould. And from the family, goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Check your level, player. No matter what your style, the kitchen's for me. Simon's moustache, goatee, maybe all 3.
You'll be alright, it's fine, it's fine.
Till next time.
Nacho.